Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jem. So today I'm going to make cinnamon rolls. And if you guys want to know how I'm going to make my cinnamon rolls, then just keep on watching. So first, I'll tell you guys the ingredients. Sorry, my coffee talking. But the ingredients are 2 3/4 cups of flour, and then 1/4 cup of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of milk, fresh milk. So if you guys are wondering what brands I use for my ingredients, regular egg lang, yung yeast, yung Eagle na brand. Parang shape talaga siya as a square na packaging, as red. Tapos yung milk ko is just Nestle fresh milk, yung green. Okay, so now I'm going to do the yeast concentration first. So I'll need a bowl. Wait. A bowl for the yeast. And I also have a mixer pala, by the way. So yung yeast mixture, I'll start with the milk and the water. Oh yeah, by the way, be sure yung milk nyo, it's not cold. Parang yung mas grocery na nasa shelf lang, ganun lang din yung temperature ng milk. So yun, I'll put here in the bowl na, and also the water. By the way, if you guys are wondering yung water, pag naman kahit hindi yung filter na, kahit yung nasa yung tap water lang. Kasi you guys will eventually put it in the oven, so it's fine. And then yung sugar, wait. OMG, wait lang. Hindi ko pala na-prepare yung sugar for the yeast mixture. Mixture. Yung sa mixture ng yeast, kailangan 1 teaspoon ng sugar. Okay, so 1 teaspoon ng sugar. And then yung yeast. Oh my god, the shoot sa loob! I'm so close. Sorry. Anyway, tapos I'm going to mix it na with the whisk. Okay, so after whisking the yeast concentration, I'll set this aside muna for like 5 to 10 minutes. So, ito-timer ko siya. 5 minutes. Tapos, we'll go to the flour mixture. So yung flour, it's here na. And then salt. Here pala. Sorry, I didn't bring up the salt. Pero yung salt, it's 1 teaspoon lang. So, inside, I'll put it inside. I'm going to whisk it again. I don't really mind if I also use the same whisk for the yeast concentration. Kasi eventually, we're going to whisk everything all together later. So, after the salt, add na yung butter. This one, yung 2 tablespoons. Okay. And then, the sugar. And the egg. Okay, so time's up. I'm going to check the yeast. I think it's pwede na. Right now, I plan to just put everything inside the flour mixture. Tapos I'm going to mix everything. Mix. You can use a mixer, pero ako, kaya ko naman na whisk lang. I decided to use a spatula, so I'm going to mix everything. Actually, guys, you know what? It's really a bad idea to do this na mano-mano. Kailangan talaga ng mixer. So, on it at the first level, first time. Okay, so now after this, I'm going to knead it. So if I'm satisfied na, I'm satisfied with the mixing thing, I'm going to use my hands. Wait, I'll wash. So now that my hands are dry, I'm going to knead everything. So using my hands. Yung fair, feel ko workout din to sa hands and arms. Tapos, after kneading, i-cover muna to, and then after 1 hour pa natin i-fix para gawin yung rolls, and then mapupunta na sa oven because the yeast has to absorb everything first before natin to gagawa ng shapes into the cinnamon rolls. Medyo matagal-tagal yung So now that I'm done kneading, I'm going to cover this with a cling wrap, and then after 1 hour, I'm going to show you guys how I'm gonna do the dough. So be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So I'm still waiting for the flour mixture to be ready. I'm going to do the filling first. So we'll be needing 2/3 cups of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Tapos mix everything with a spoon. VH, kayo naman bahala sa brown sugar kung gaano kadami. Hi guys, so now that I'm back after an hour, this is how the dough looks like. It's a bit like fluffier than the one a while ago. Now I'm going to knead this again. By the way, my hands are still clean. So I'm going to flatten this in a while. During kneading, basically it's just like mixing everything again. By the way guys, if you guys think that it still sticks to the table, you have to make sure that you put flour pa din. And by the way, the table's clean, so don't get grossed out. That's why I put the dough here on top of the table. So I just got back and I got this rolling thing. Pero I got the flour as well. So it's up to you guys if how much flour you wanna put para hindi siya mag-stick sa table. Here lang. I'll use this thing to flatten it. Ano siya? Kailangan manipis. I'm done flattening the dough. I'm going to spread the butter on top using a brush. So now I'm going to put the butter all over. Okay, so now that I've done brushing the dough, I'm going to put the filling that we did a while ago. I'm going to use my hands or the brush again. Let's see if the brush works. Okay, the brush works. So now that I'm done brushing the filling on top of the dough, I'm going to roll this dough. Okay, so what I like to do now that I rolled this, I want to use the cake cutter thing. I'm not sure if it's... Basically, I'm using like maybe an inch for like guideline lang kung saan banda ako magka-cut ng rolls. It doesn't have to be exactly 1 inch, but it has to be even when you cut it. So now that I'm done marking, I'm going to use floss. And it's funny because you can use just the knife or anything that you wanna use as a tool to cut the dough. But me personally, I wanna use floss. Maybe cut it 1 yard. So what I'd like to do is start first at the end and then follow the marking or the cinnamon that you did a while ago. And then just pull it, like as in para kang mag-cut dough. There! Ta-da! So again, put it under, cross the... So now that I'm done cutting them, I'm going to put them in the oven at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. By the way, I put butter on top as well before putting the tray inside the oven. So now that we put everything in the oven, I am going to make the glaze on top. So we need first powdered sugar. 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then mix everything together. Also, don't forget the milk. I'm going to add in the milk. 2 tablespoons of milk. Actually, it's really up to you how much milk you want. You're probably mga 2 tablespoons. Okay, so now that I'm done with the glaze, let's just wait for the oven. So once I get back, the cinnamon rolls are ready for glazing. So now the cinnamons are cooked. Now we are going to glaze every piece of it. So I'm using the same brush from a while ago. You can put as much as you want, but if you want less sweetness, just 1 coating of the glaze. So yeah, that's everything. Thank you guys for watching. Please do comment down below and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button if you haven't. See you in the next one. Bye!